pillow.
I do not want no part of this. Don't you touch me with that hocus pocus witchcraft shit.
Wonder if I can turn you into a frog.
Touch me one more time. One more time, I will break it. Ugh, it don't taste good.
Tigger will turn you into a frog.
Okie dokie.
Weezer.
Turn me into a princess.
Okay, here we go. You might want to move.
Well, shit, is it gonna go crazy?
Possibly, yes.
Voodoo, that's what it is. Voodoo witchcraft.
Move, I gotta stir it. Okay, now I think we gotta tap it.
Whoa, this is awesome.
I know.
Now what?
We gotta add this powder. Move back, Tigger.
Tigger, you better get the hell out of the way. That damn thing's bubbling. Stir it. Oh, it's ready. Tap, tap, tap.
Okay, then we put this little thing in there. We stir it. Move back, Tigger.
Okie dokie. Oh, it's time to tap it, Mama. Tap, tap, tap. Put the leaf in, Mama.
Okay.
Holy snow cones, you have done burnt it up. This damn thing's gonna set off the fire alarm. I'm gonna need a breathing treatment.
Damn. It broke. Oh, what happened? Uh-oh. I think it malfunctioned. Oh, shit.
Hoo-wee.
Did it scare you too?
Yeah.
Well, let's see what this thing is.
Oh, it's alive. Hocus pocus witchcraft shit voodoo. Ugh.